Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to improve location accuracy on Samsung Galaxy A05 device. Okay, let's go to the tutorial. Google's location service improve location accuracy by using Wi-Fi, mobile network, and sensors to help estimate your location. Okay, how do you do it? First thing first, you can go to the settings menu. And then here you can scroll down. And then you can select location option. Well, after that, here you can click location service. And then click on Google location accuracy. Well, and then here you can activate this feature by tapping this button. Well, and then the location on your device has been successfully improved. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to improve location accuracy on Samsung Galaxy A05 device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.